Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to change region in Riot account. In order to change the region of your Riot account, you need to firstly open up your browser. From the search panel of your browser, type Riot support, then left click. After that, go to the Riot Game Support official website. From here, make sure that you log into your account first from the top right hand side. After that, scroll down and select League of Legends as your specific game. After that, you will be redirected to the League of Legends support page. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Submit a Ticket. From here, you need to choose a request type. Click on it. Scroll down and select Account Management, Data Request or Deletion. After that, they'll ask you about the platform you are playing with or communicating with them. Select your platform. The subject will be changing my region. And your inquiry type will be account management. Your specific inquiry will be need help changing region of residence, country assigned to the account. Now you can fast track this process by quite a lot if you let Riot check your current account residence place you are currently messaging them from. So you can just click on the check button, or else you can also describe your situation and let them review and give you a decision regarding it. So you'll just type, hello, I would like to change my region in order to play with my friends on that region, or something like this. You can also add various attachments to support your claim, and after that just click on submit and your request will be submitted, and within 1 or 2 business days it will be reviewed and given a decision on by the Riot support, and you can easily change your region by this process.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.